Bonjour à tous. Today, let us see le futur. Le futur is the future tense in English. So it is in lesson 5. Let us see to it now. What is future is it is an action which is going to take place in the future. It is going to take place in the future. So usually it has the endings AI, A, ONS, EZ, ONT. So let us see how it is getting formed here. So for ER verb, you have to write the verb as such and you have to add the endings. And for even IR verb, you have to write the verb as such and you have to add the endings. And for RE verb, you have to remove E at the last and add the ending given. Okay, so even for this kind of TIR verb, also it is same AI, AS, A, ONS like that. And there are some irregular verbs which takes the there are some irregular verbs like this. Venir, say for example, the radical for venir is vyandr. Vyandr is a radical, so vyandr you have to write and you have to add the endings. And for var it is ver. So you have to write the radical and you have to add the ending like this. Okay. So same like that. The irregular verbs is been given here. So you have to by heart the radical and you have to add the hour end. You have to add the future ending. And for RE verb, as I told you, you have to remove E at the last and you have to add the endings. Got it? Okay. Now, let us move on to the exercise in page number 55. Let us move on to the exercise in page number 55. First exercise, on tourist étranger, venir they have given. Okay. So, venir the radical is vyandr, and to that vyandr verb you are adding the future ending. So AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT, ONT. Got it? So vyandra, tourist étranger, vyandra, nous voir au centre culturel. Got it? Un means a foreign tourist. A foreign tourist is il conjugation. So you have to pick up the il conjugation. Got it? Okay. Now, next one is B. Je suis occupé. Je veux voir lundi prochain. Lundi prochain. Okay. So, voir, the radical is where. So, to this where, you are adding this. You are adding this AI, AS, A, ONS, EZ, ONT and ONT. Okay. So, for je, you have to pick up verre conjugation. Okay. Verre. So, you have to pick up this verre conjugation. Got it? Okay. Now, let us move on to the next one. See, alar. So, alar is also again an irregular verb. The radical for that is ir. So, to that ir, you have to add this avoir ending, and it is je apostrophe here because I is a vowel. Because I is a vowel. Got it? Okay. So, nous irons à la fête de la musique. Nous irons à la fête de la musique. Then, to finir. Finir is a normal IR verb conjugation only. So, you have to write the conjugation as such and you have to add the endings. Okay. And now, you have to pick up the to conjugation. To finira. So, what is the answer here? To finira. Got it? Okay. Now, the last one is regarder. So regarder verb conjugation, and you have to add the endings AI, AS, AA, all those. This is a normal ER verb, regular verb conjugation. So you're adding AI, AS, AA, ONS, EZ, ONT and ONT. So what is the je conjugation here? Je regardere. So that's what even I have written here. Okay. Hope it is very clear for you. I repeat one more time. What is future? Future is it is an activity that is going to happen in the future. It is called le futur. Okay, so it is formed with the infinitive. Okay, and you are adding the endings. The following are the endings here. So you are going to add these endings to the conjugation. So that's what even we have done. So there are er verb, ir verb, re verb, and irregular verbs like this. Tir verb. Okay, this irregular verbs follows different conjugation method. For that I have written the radical, have given the radical here. You have to copy down the radical, and then you are going to add the endings of future. Hope it is clear. So I request you to write these notes in your classwork for your better understanding. So you have to be very thorough with these endings. Usually you will get confused with these endings. Okay, so please be thorough with this kind of endings. So you should be very thorough with what is the er verb conjugation, how it should be, ir verb conjugation, how it should be, tir verb, how it should be, and re verb means you have to remove e at the last and add the ending. Okay, and add these endings. Okay, and the irregular verbs, the conjugation, this you should be very thorough. You have to memorize this radical. You have to memorize this radical, no other way. Hope it is clear for you all. So I have done the first exercise in page number 55. You can refer your book PDF, and please work out all these conjugations in your class work. Hope it is very clear for you all. Okay, very important grammar topic. Definitely you can expect this grammar either in 2 marks or in 4 marks, and even in your MCQ questions they may ask you. So you should be thorough with the present tense conjugation and future tense conjugation before we start with lesson 7, because lesson 7 we have passé composé, that is past tense. So before getting into passé composé, past tense, you should be very thorough with the present tense as well as this future tense conjugation. So what I advise you to write is, first take a verb. Say for example this is a verb. So for this verb, okay, put a follow. Take a separate note. Write the present tense conjugation, and for the same verb write the future tense conjugation. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear for you. Okay. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Bonne journée.